Think it takes a superhuman endeavor to get an organized garage? Not at all. Let us show you how. With the FastTrack garage system from Rubbermaid. The FastTrack system is easy to install. Just screw the rail into your wall studs and snap on the rail covers. The system allows you to use the entire width of the wall, so you're not just limited to mounting things right into the studs. But probably the best benefit of the FastTrack system is that it lets you take advantage of the vertical space in your garage. You can hang things on the wall, like bicycles, tools, and storage boxes that are normally taking up all of your floor space. Plus, you can customize your system with all the hooks, shelves, and accessories you need to help you get organized. The hooks are easy to attach. Just push like so and they lock into place. To remove, just pull them up. You can also organize everything into zones so it's all easier to find. Garden tools here, sporting equipment down low, holiday storage up there. Want to change it around? The FastTrack system is so versatile, you can move things around with the seasons. In the summer, put the bikes near the door, and in the winter, move them to the rear. It's fast and easy to set up, and fast to get organized. The FastTrack garage system, only from Rubbermaid.
The Monkey Bars Bike Rack is the perfect solution for storing all of your bikes in an efficient and compact way. Monkey Bar kits get your items up off the floor and out of the way, keeping your floor clean without sacrificing space. Installation is fast and only requires a stud finder and a driver. To start using your bike rack, just insert the steel monkey bar into the brackets, snap on your included hooks, and then hang your bikes. It's as simple as that. And every Monkey Bars rack is designed to be versatile and durable, holding up to 200 pounds of whatever you throw at it. With the bike rack, finding a place to hold your bikes in a neat, organized way is no longer a problem.
The myLIFTER was developed to solve the problem of making hard-to-reach space available for convenient storage. It makes it very intuitive and easy to store bikes and other objects that can be lowered down with just the push of a button.
myLIFTER was designed to be controlled with a smartphone, but if you don't want to or don't have a smartphone, we've also made a remote that you can control all the features with that you can purchase separately. There's a really neat feature that we built in the app called Smart Lift. It lets you manually lift an item to where you want it to stop and lower it to where you want it to stop and set those points, and it'll remember them. So next time you go out in the garage, you can hit Smart Lift and your item will go up to where it was. You can hit Smart Lower and it'll go back down to that preset position.
Each of the lifts are capable of lifting up to 50 pounds apiece. Multiple lifts can be combined together and synchronized and controlled from a single device. For example, I could take 4 lifts and combine them together to lift a total of 200 pounds.
myLIFTER has a few safety features. It has a brake built inside of it that whether it loses power or when it's at a stopping position, it will hold the weight so that the motor doesn't constantly need to be driving and holding that weight. We also have software current limiting that will keep users from lifting more weight than the myLIFTER can hold.
One of the things that we wanted to focus on the myLIFTER was making it really easy to install. The first thing you do when you open the box is mount the myLIFTER to a ceiling. We made it so that you mount this bracket, which is really lightweight, easy to hold up and put the screws through. Once you get this in the place that you want it, then you lift your myLIFTER up and put a couple pins in to hold it into the mount. Mount the power supply on the wall, plug it in, download the app onto your phone, pair it, and you can start lifting things. We spent a lot of time on the myLIFTER making it compact and lightweight so that it's really easy to mount to your ceiling and it looks really good while it's up there.
Make the most of your limited space and time with activity organizers. They are space efficient, adjustable, strong, and easy to install. Each activity organizer is made from heavy gauge steel that is epoxy coated in a natural granite color to protect from scratches and scuffs. There are more than 20 individual organizers to choose from, and you can configure activity organizers any way you want and change them as often as you want. Choose the best installation for your needs. Shelty's heavy-duty grid is the strongest option. The 2x4 grid mounts vertically or horizontally along the wall at any height. Once the grid is secure, the individual organizers simply lock in place without additional hardware or tools. Each organizer also can mount directly to the wall for more permanent installation.
Fleximount ceiling storage rack can help you make that tidy garage a reality by taking advantage of your unused overhead space. Our storage racks come in 5 different sizes to help you get the best fit for your garage. And they're height adjustable from 22 to 40 inches. Made of heavy-duty steel, our storage rack is more sturdy and stable, and it keeps your stuff safe. Our Fleximounts racks offer you more installation solutions to perfectly fit your space. 20 by 12 garage, 20 by 16 garage, 20 by 18 garage, 22 by 20 garage, 22 by 24 garage, and 26 by 32 garage. Compared to other garage racks, our integrated grid design makes installation much simpler. You just need these common tools. Your Fleximount ceiling storage rack is now ready to help you organize your garage.
Test the platform's operation by winding it up and down several times. If it operates smoothly, lower the platform to waist level and evenly load up to 250 pounds of gear. Raise the platform to its highest position and engage the yellow safety lock. To lower or raise the platform, disengage the lock by inserting the crank hook into the lock slot, pulling towards the gear loop to lock, or away from the gear loop to unlock. Installation of the Racor heavy lift storage system is now complete.